How to fix Snapchat issues on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat issues on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again and here just type Snapchat, click on it and then click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and now go to permissions and allow all of those permissions here, allow all of those and then go to storage, go to data usage and allow all of those. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here to storage and then click clear data. But after that you will need to log in again, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.